Welcome to day number 4 of our free 5-day challenge. 3 easy ways to change your mindset to achieve anything you want in your life. And you're almost there. You've almost completed the challenge. And I want you to see that you've been using these easy ways to change your mindset, like adopting the mindset of an explorer, growing more aware of your thoughts and emotions, and using the art of reframing. At the same time, you might want to go back to these videos anytime you need to, because though they're easy ways, it takes time to practice with them. It takes time to own them. Today, we're going to see what are you missing in your life. What we miss are things that can discourage us, such as feeling we never have enough time to do things and all we want to do, or feeling lonely because we miss someone special in our life. There are so many situations that can bring us discouragement and make us feel low. So identify, please, all those things that you feel are missing in your life and write them down. Another thing that can bring you down and discouraged is both success and failure. Why? They can both leave you feeling empty and your spark may be flickering away. Now, to understand why failure can be negative for us is because we can identify our mistakes and our failures with who we are. But failing doesn't make you a failure. And also with success, what happens is that when we achieve something, we might be tempted to feel satisfied, to feel that we have arrived, and that automatically brings us back down if you're not propelling forward. As Rudyard Kipling used to call them, success and failure can be two imposters, and if you learn to master them, then you will be a man or a woman. This he says in this famous poem, If. So, do notice what happens when you succeed and when you fail. What happens to you? What is the response that you have to these events? Another thing that can bring you down is feeling too overwhelmed. Maybe there is too much on your plate. Maybe you are going from one duty to another and you feel it's just too much for you. And you get frustrated and you get tired and feeling like, what's the purpose of this running around? And another thing is maybe you're fighting against too many distractions. It looks like during these times there is so much info that can distract us from what our direction is, what our vision is. And also, it seems like the phones are ruling our lives with all the notifications and all things beeping away when we are trying to stay focused. So, uh, be not afraid to silence your phone when you need to and stay focused, stay on track, because too many distractions can eat away your passion and your pleasure in life. Now, how can you reframe the losses, the sense of loneliness, the sense of discouragement in your life? If you have a skill and you feel that this skill is weighing down on the losses side instead of your gains, I exhort you to read a book that says, Sometimes we win, sometimes we learn, from John Maxwell. It's a great book because it gives you this perspective of how we can build on our wins and not just our conquests and what we have accomplished, what we have overcome, what we're proud of, but also the things when they go wrong, when we make mistakes, when we feel we're failing, because we can always extract the juice from them. We can always see what was the lesson in it, what was the thing that we learned and that can make us better tomorrow. So this is having the mindset of an achiever, building on what we win and even what we learn from a apparent defeat can be building on your wins. So do focus on what's good. Learn to extract the good from every situation, both good and bad. And also, how will you turn your messes into something good? Sometimes things get messed up, get disorganized, but you can find fun in them. You don't have to let them bog you down. You can embrace the mess and make something good. Maybe is spending more time with your kids and friends and loved ones. Maybe is finding a new recipe, a new way to go about things, a new way to schedule your time, a new friend to contact. It can be so much that can be done when you don't let messes get you down, but actually you can always resort to your creativity, to your resourcefulness. You've got it. You've got this. For today, we wore the explorer hat to see what is missing in our life and how is this affecting us and how we can change things around. I exhort you to complete your assignment by downloading the paper beneath the video under the description. And also, we looked at the scale between gain and loss, and we gave you the tools to look at your wins and build on your wins. Even when things are going against you, you can find and extract the juice, the good thing, the lesson, what can make you better and stronger. And reframing can give you that gusto for life, that pizzazz, that liveliness, because it really helps you to change perspective. And you can use this to reframe everything in your life. And the more you do it, the better you get to it, and the more impact it will have in your day. If you haven't done so, request a beginner guide to coaching, because coaching will be the beacon even during dark and stormy times. It's all for today. I see you tomorrow for our ending chapter of our challenge.